So guys, we are here at the Wetlands Park here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is free to the public and open from dusk till dawn. Now Wetlands Park is known for their trailheads, so if you ever want a change of scenery on your walks, go visit Wetlands Park one day. What's really awesome about Wetlands, they have a nature center here with an exhibit gallery, a nature store, an auditorium, and a picnic room. Now let me tell you guys, this place is truly amazing. The picnic room would be so nice to cool down and enjoy your food. Also, there is the most coolest and free nature exhibit here. We had such a blast and learned so much there. It's definitely worth a visit. There is so much to do here, so much to see, so many interactive things, and we actually had this whole museum to ourselves. So guys, if you haven't been here, I would highly suggest you take your family and take a visit. It is so much fun. Also, quick little heads up, they are only open for certain hours, so be sure to check their hours before you visit.
Bunny in here. Cute, like it's in a log right now. This must be his home. So cute. Whoa. Zeke him. He no tripod.
That's a turtle's hiss? Which one's the softest?
There's a dime for You getting some? No? Get her. Happy. See, like
You
that.
gotta.
Don't put your mouth.
She's not. She's just trying to figure it out.
Now put your mouth.
2022 kids don't know how to work.
Where are we going?
At Denny's.
Okay. Oh yeah, don't forget y'all kids need free items.
We're in Utah, girls.
Bigfoot here. Bigfoot.
8 hours later.
Hi guys. We're at Denny's right now, you know. Guess what? They actually have like coloring books, but they don't have coloring pencils.
Alright guys, so we are now here at Denny's. We went home, washed up. Wetlands was pretty fun. It was pretty hot outside, but the inside of it was pretty cool. Everything was free, so if you have kids, you should most definitely take them to Wetlands Park. Look at the hours because they do have certain hours that they are open. But yeah, go check it out. Take your little ones. So yeah, we took them home. They played with some water balloons to cool off, and I gave them a shower. Now we are here at Denny's grabbing dinner. I'm talking kind of low because the pressure. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. We're gonna eat. Show you guys what we got. I got a steak because I'm starving. That's my first meal of the day. What time is it? It's only like 4, 5.
God is grace. God is good. God is saying, can't throw out the ball heads, walk before.
Really quickly, this video is in collaboration with Quntis. Quntis sent over their LED string lights. I do have a discount code available on these lights. I will have the code and the link for them in the description box. These outdoor bistro style lights are in the color warm white. They're 53 feet long and come with 16 shatterproof bulbs. They also have a 101 foot set available. Quntis's lights would be perfect for your backyard or porch, but they would also be perfect for occasions like weddings or parties. These are heavy duty outdoor lights, no worries about rain or wind. Quntis's lights are weatherproof and shatterproof. These were designed to stay up all year round and withstand any extreme temperatures. They are made with heavy duty wire, shatterproof plastic bulbs, and fully sealed sockets. Quntis even includes an extra 5-foot extension cord in case you need it. We are loving our lights. They have changed the vibes in our backyard. It is more relaxing and fun to be back there. If you guys are interested, like I said before, I do have a discount code available for you guys. I will have the code and the link for these bulbs in the description box. And thank you so much, Quntis, for sending us your amazing LED string lights. We absolutely love them. Thank you to everyone for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Have an amazing day, everyone. Bye!